Здравейте, приятели! Това е нещо, което не знам какво е.
There's a lot of it. This is not close to all of it. Look at our basement. That's production right there, people. This is a great example of getting the most out of the space you have right here. Look at this. Are those your picks? Couple of them? What is this? That's a goofy box. Huh? What is it? Zeus sniffs all the boxes first, make sure they're okay. No, that's a snack. Chocolate. Look at Zeus, and he wants it. I want to grab some boxes. Jeez, he wants it. What do you think, Zeus? Those are all good? Those are all good? Oh, this one concerns me.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's actually opening the box.
Oh, you got chocolate! You have that.
You like doing it? I'm doing all the work here. I'm gonna go grab a couple. Brittany went out to breakfast this morning with one of her girlfriends, getting her nails done, all this girly stuff that, honestly, me and the boys aren't interested in. Well, now what do we got, Zeus? Come on. Alright, we're gonna tear a couple open. Who wants to start?
Me!
Uh-oh. Look like we need a coin toss.
Yeah.
Coin toss? Alright. Heads or tails?
I'm gonna be heads.
Alright, if it lands on heads, Noah goes first. If it lands on tails, it's you. Ready? It's tails. Caners goes first.
Pokeball!
Zeus is really into the mail today. Swedish fish, you know those are daddies. R-O-M-E-N.
Yep.
Those are for mommy. Mommy's not here, so